big announcement. I can't even hold it no longer. But as you guys know, we've officially reached 100k subscribers. Let's go! I am so excited, guys. I just want to tell you thanks from the bottom of my heart. I swear, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Listen, I don't know, we are trying. We come a long way. We come a long way on my journey. Trust me, the growth is real, and I just want to tell you guys thanks. Also, we just get YouTube silver play button. 100k subscribers, you already know. So of course me I can do the live unboxing right now. We don't know. Oh no, say it hard for me. It was so hard trying to keep this and not open it. And me just said I have to give the live reaction, because if I never feel I'm going to get this. So I think it is only fair that we both share the same excitement. You understand? We are go through it together. Let's do it, guys. So let's open it. Let's do it. I think they make this kind of easy for me. I see. Then give me the little, you know, something. It's convenient after my day I plan to get the knife and go so on. Woo! Are we seeing it? Oh! Okay, what did it say? Do you remember your first subscriber? That was awesome. Look that, guys! At our note, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Oh my god, I can't read. But yeah, I'm just so excited. All right, I have to read this out, guys. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100, your 1,000? Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube. Maybe you showed up as a recommendation video. Oh yes, we are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. We know you share it with your community, and that is what I'm doing. Okay, we know how to can't wait. Jesus.
Wow!
Fresh out the plastic. It is a mirror, guys. Me I see myself in this. Okay, presented to Tami Winkle for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's go! We did it. We did it. Guys, me have to tell you no time. Look, the man. Woo! We official. Guys, me have to tell you once again a big thank you. Right now, me have to use it, replace my face. Uno, guys, thank you so much. Without Uno, none of this wouldn't be possible. All right, and me just have to share this with Uno live reaction, just everything, because you guys, trust me, Uno support my channel right through, like through 2024. Yo, wanna come in swinging. Me don't know where so much I wanna come from, but I appreciate you guys. Wanna just come in and just go ham for my channel. Like, it's the love and support for me. Melt my heart. Big up every single body. Big up all of my Jamaicans, all of my Caribbean people, all of my people them from all over the world. Me see you know. United States, South Africa. I don't know when I go better start call country final. How? Why me go start do this? Can me tell you say uno they all over. Big up everybody. Love and love alone. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you. And you know, a million is next. Thank
So true definition of